Okay, everybody, welcome to another live training of Fukada Marketing. As you can see, I am sharing my screen because it's dark in my office where I'm at. I'm actually at one of my buddy's houses. I'm in the city of Philadelphia, and I'll be headed back on the 29th of this month. And they're sleeping in the house right now, so I don't want to wake everybody up. Let me make sure that my screen is playing. Welcome to another live training. 1 second. Of Fukada. Okay, so we are good. Yeah. Perfect. All right, we are live. So we're streaming live. So what this is gonna be, guys, this is gonna be a step-by-step training where I'm going to be teaching you how to build a high converting landing page to generate leads for your business. Okay, this is going to be pretty in depth, and it's going to be very informative, and I feel that you're going to really enjoy this training because this is valuable, and you need this. So what I'm going to do real quick is embed a question thread inside the group. Picture for that real quick, because I know you guys are going to have questions. Q. Okay. All right. Let's get this question started. Any questions on Wave Trade? Feel free to ask. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, just ask your questions right here regarding this training, and I'll be more than happy to answer them on you. Answer them for you. So what I'm going to be showing you is first and foremost, you're gonna need a software named Lead Pages. The website is leadpages.net. Okay, leadpages.net. That's LEAD pages PAGES.net. Now, what Lead Pages is a software that it's not even a software; it's a website where you can use this to build any type of landing page or sales funnel that you need for your business or events or anything, any product. I don't care what it is that you're promoting. This is what the pros use to promote. Okay, this integrates with a lot of platforms, and it's very, very good. It's mobile and responsive and everything. It has a lot of features. So the pricing that you're looking to pay for this, because this technique that I am teaching you does cost money, okay, but it's worth it. month by month you would click. It's $37 a month for the standard monthly one, and then the pro monthly one is $67. I highly recommend you get the pro monthly one because it does have more features as you'll grow in your marketing if you do have the money to spend. But if you don't have the money to spend today, it's okay. The standard one is more than efficient, and I'm going to be teaching you how to build your funnel with the standard one. So this is cool, okay? So I'm going to log into my Lead Pages account. I'm gonna go back real quick. Okay. So let's say today we want to build a funnel on, I don't know, let's say we want to use opt-ins and we want to get people to opt into a page, a sales page, okay? Well, there can be many things that we can get them to opt in for. And what's so cool about Lead Pages that I really like is it has these two tabs right here, right? And you can click on conversion rate, and then it syncs them to give you the most highly converting ones that are here. So this one right here, this 404 page, is the highest converting page, and I don't understand why, but it is. And then you have this basic squeeze page. You have the giveaway page. These work really good, guys. I advise people to use these right here. That's exactly what I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach you guys. No, I'll give you a more simpler one. Let's see. It doesn't matter which one you choose, guys. You can choose any one. I'm going to do video one just because the video ones get more conversions from what I've seen. So let me find a good video one. I like that Jeff Walker one. Okay. Jeff Walker sales page. I like this one. Okay. So what this is, it's loading and putting it together for you. Computer's working a little slow. Okay, well, while that's working, we'll go to the next step that we're going to need, okay? The next step that you're going to need to build your funnel is Get Response. And as you can see, Get Response has a 30-day free trial membership, okay? Get Response is used to capture your leads. This is your actual sales funnel. Well, it's not your sales funnel, it's the main piece of your sales funnel. When you're dealing with network marketing or multi-level marketing or any type of business in general, the key of the game is to capture as many leads as possible, okay? And in order for you to capture leads, you have to have a system to capture leads. And if you don't have a system in place, you're just going to be losing leads. So that's what Get Response is. Get Response is it's your net basically, or your lead capture system, okay? I don't know why this one's taking so long to load, but we're going to go back and pick another one. Look at this. I can use this one. Easiest way to create landing pages. They already have this set up actually for what I'm teaching you guys now. So I can use this one See if it loads. I don't know why lead pages is loading slow right now. It might be because I have too much stuff loading on my computer. If lead pages loads any more slower, I'm gonna have to go use my other landing page editing software, which I was gonna also show you guys too that you can use. So it's okay. So lead pages is still loading slow. So we're just gonna use the other one, Instapage. Okay, Instapage.com. This is the other software that I use to build really good landing pages. I actually kind of like Instapage better because it's more user friendly and it's more customizable and it's a little bit cheaper. It's for the basic plan, it's $29 a month. And this is the only one you need. All of this other stuff over here, this is going to be stuff that you would use more so when you're actually building a landing page business. So this basic plan is more than enough. $29 a month. That's what you're going to pay. And that's pretty much the only plan that you need. So give me 1 second here. Now, the next thing that you're going to need in this system is, let's see how many people we actually got watching right now. That's what you're going to pay. Okay, we got 4 people on right now. What you're going to need will get responses. You're going to set up your account. It's just free for 30 days. And that's perfect. So you go in there, set up your GetResponse account, okay? So that's getresponse.com right here, as you can see. Once you set up your GetResponse account, we'll go back in there and log in a second, okay? I want to actually teach you how to build your page first, and then I'll teach you how to build your autoresponder and link it into your page, and that'll be the end part of your funnel, okay? So let me log in to Instapage. Once you get your Instapage account, you'll be able to log in with Facebook. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually go and build a new landing page real quick, and I'm gonna show you how quick it is to do this. Look, click on create a new page, pick a template, and what's so cool about Instapage, guys, and lead pages is you can build unlimited landing pages in here. So right here you have lead generation, the different categories that you can choose from, or you could just look through all the templates if you want that are here. Give me 1 second, it's loading slow. My internet acting funny, guys. Okay, like here's all the different templates right here. I actually like to use the filter. So what I'm going to be building is a lead generation form. So this is an opt-in form, meaning people have to put in their information to go to the next step. So look at this, how to create a cool landing page. They actually have a page for this. I'm actually going to do that, and I can put the training that I'm doing right now on this, and it'll be pretty cool. Look how it looks. This is the preview of it. I like this too because they allow you to do a quick preview of it. So that's a pretty cool page, as you guys can see. So I'm going to click on edit this page. Landing page training. That's what I'll name it. Training. And as you guys can see, it's literally a drag and drop editor. Inside here, you have the different features. You can add things to your page. Well, first and foremost, you can edit the stuff that's already in here. What you don't want to do is you really don't want to change the format of these pages up too much, because why I say that is they're already created by professionals, and the way that it's put together, it's already known that it has a high conversion rate already like this. So you really don't want to go around changing what's already there. You just want to reword things, kind of. You understand? Okay, so I picked this one for the landing page. So as you can see, that header is pretty good. How to create a cool landing page. And what I would change is the name right here. Instead of Tyson Quick, I would put Mark Rosario. Or no, how about this? I don't even want to brand it for myself. I want to brand it for the company. Fakata LLC presents how to create a cool landing page. Enter your email. For the 10-step sales closing technique. Which will make you a master, which will help make you master who skills. Techniques. Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in there and re-editing little things. Okay. You're free. Copy and paste. Bang. Okay, so I will go in there and edit this a little bit. And I would just go in there and edit this out a little bit more and things of that nature to save time and to save me from boring you guys. I'm not going to reword all of this right now. But as you guys can see, I pretty much built the whole landing page already. I've built this landing page that quick. I built this landing page in less than, what, 3 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes? So that's how quick you can build a landing page and then make one look professional, as you guys can see. It's all about your tools. You got to have tools to play and look good online, guys. That's just the reality of the game. It's with any business. If you think that you don't have to invest in your business for your tools, you have another thing coming. If you're in the construction business and you don't buy no trucks and equipment, well, you can never do construction. So we all know that's impossible to be in business without investing in it. Okay? So once you have your landing page, you can actually click on preview right here. And see how it looks. That looks real clean, don't it? Pretty cool. And my video will be right here. Now I'm going to show you how to embed your video in here real quick. And I want to let you guys know this is very user friendly, guys. Like, Everything up here is literally drag and drop. Like if I wanted to put a button right here, I can literally drag it and drop it, as you can see. Loop, there's a button. But as you go in here, there's tutorials, guys. There's a help guide right here, as you can see. This will teach you everything that you need to learn how to build this. If you click right here, restart tour, it'll walk you through every one of these steps to teach you how to use this. And you also have the new user guide here, and you have the documentation. And if everything else fails, you have the contact us page to contact the people who built this system. So I'm not going to teach you every little thing about this system because I don't want to waste your time doing that. It's going to take me some time to teach you every little feature in here. I just want to show you how simple it is to build this landing page, build a quick sales funnel that actually starts helping you convert and capture leads in your business immediately. Okay, so to go in here and learn all this training is not going to take you too much time. You just got to go in here and start playing around with these things, or just actually go and teach yourself real quick with the help guide. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click save, and most of the time it's automatically saving, but just to be safe, and now I'm going to click hold up. Actually, before I publish it, let me go back to get response. Okay, so now we're going to actually go and set up our get response capture page. Let me log into my get response account. Come on, get response.
You work hard to promote your business and attract new customers, but how do you
How did you? Yeah. Okay. I'm in my account now. As you guys see, this is my trial account. I put this together a couple days ago when I first was building up my list, and I'm gonna actually pay for this in about 2 days. And it doesn't cost much. Get response. Let me see if I was to upgrade now. This would only cost $25 a month for 2,500 subscribers. I would actually start at the $15 a month and start small. $15 a month to have 1,000 leads in your system. You can't beat that. Okay. The key is filling up your system with 1,000 leads, and as you grow and you need more, you go into the $25 level, and as you need more, you go into the 45 and the 10,000, and so so forth and so on. Once you're at this level, 100,000 plus, man, you paying $450 a month is not going to cost you anything, because with a list of 100,000, you're going to be making way more than $450 a month. Okay. So once we're in, let me go back to get response. Okay. Log in. All right. So what you want to do when you get response is, this is your dashboard. And I'm just going to be teaching you how to build a simple, quick, basic landing form, okay? A landing page, opt-in form. Now, the first thing you want to do is build, give me 1 second. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go up here in the upper right hand corner, guys. Click on this little arrow right here, and then click on create a campaign. So my campaign is going to be Fakata test. Okay, create a campaign. Now the next thing you want to do is create a form right here. Now the next thing after that is you want to go right here. Click on this form right here. The one with the squares. And the two things you're going to just need is already the name and the email. Okay, they're already there. You click apply. And then once that's put together, you click on next step. Now it already has the default thank you page. That's okay for now. Now what you want to change is this. You see this confirm opt-in? Over here in the right hand corner, you have this button called campaign settings. Click on this. Now what you want to go to is permissions, and you uncheck all three of these. And what this is going to do, it's going to stop your lead from having to do a double opt-in. And that means that when they actually put their information in once, they go and get the information that you want to send them in their email, okay? Which is the second part that they're opting in for, which is that 10-step sales guideline that I'm talking about. And whatever, how you'll choose to put something together. But I'm actually going to build a funnel. I'm building this funnel right now, and I'm going to show you how quick I built it, and I'm going to show you the leads that I'm going to capture with it, okay? So what I'm going to do is, okay, I've unchecked all three of those. Now I want to go back here. Hold up. Okay. Now I'll refresh this real quick. No, click on Save Web Form. Okay, it's already unchecked. Okay. Once I've done that, I click on Next Step. And now you have the HTML code for your form. You're going to have two options here, guys. You want to click on this one. Show HTML. Select all. Okay, you want to select all of this code. Copy. Now what you do with that code, once you've copied it, is you go to your form right here that's on this landing page. This is an opt-in form. You click on this side right here, these two little blocks, click on edit, and then you click on integrations, click on get response, Actually, the way that I'm showing you guys is a little bit more in depth. This software you don't have to do it the way that I'm showing you, but I'm gonna actually take this out and show you guys. You don't have to worry about that part that I just showed you guys. I don't want to confuse you. You don't need to worry about that right now. I forgot that this software actually integrates with your API. Okay, so instead of you worrying about copying and pasting that form, what you want to do is you actually want to go back to here. Once you published it, go back to your form, exit this, and just go to web form list. It's already listed. Okay, yeah, here's the Fekata test web form right here. Perfect. Okay, now you go back here, click on edit, go to integrations, click on get response, and then click right here, get your get response API key here. And it'll automatically get it for you. You click here, copy the keyboard, go back here, copy and paste that in there. And now it's linked up and hooked together. So you click continue. And look, right here, they already got it up there. See that? Fekata test. Boom. That's going to integrate with my funnel. It's going to integrate with the name and the email, and it's done. And I click close. So that's integrated now with my get response opt-in form right here, which is Fekata test that I just created. Okay. So once we have the form created, and once we have the landing page, step 1, then the form, step 2, step 3 is to create the message. Okay. So what you do is you go to message and you click on create newsletter. This is going to be, nope, I'm lying. Sorry about that. No, well, you can create a newsletter, but the first thing that you want to do is create an autoresponder. Okay, you click on create autoresponder. So you want to create the autoresponder and test. And this is the message that you want sent to them immediately when they opt in. And the next thing you want to click on is choose message. Sorry about that, guys. I missed the step. You actually have to click create a newsletter first. Sorry, guys. I'm a little tired. It's 3:05 in the morning here. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning where I'm at. Just so you guys know, this is how late it is. I'm up here doing this training. Click on create a newsletter. Okay. Click on new email creator. Message name is 10-step sales technique to close any sale. Same thing. And it's coming from Mark Rosario. I wanted to come from Fekata. So Fekata sales at Fekata.us. These are company emails that I got linked into my GetResponse account. Once you've done that, you just click next step. Let me see if you guys got any questions. Okay. No questions yet. Where am I at? Or was I just at? Okay, here you go. We're back in the email templates. Now, as you guys can see, guys, these are the email templates that are sent to people when they opt in, and this is how professional they look. So you're looking like a real marketer now. Like, look at these templates, guys. This looks good. Look at this. Yeah, this is why I use GetResponse, because it makes me look good. And look, they already have prepaid templates for you. Look at this one, internet marketing. You can have a whole newsletter that you send your prospect every day. And it's little stuff like this that the little people just don't pay attention to, man. And this is what stops them from being competitive in this industry, because they just don't look good. Everything is about how you look. And people judge things off of images, man. That's just the reality of life, and that's just how people are. So you want to look good when you're doing business, okay? So I'm just going to use, I don't know, success. I like this one right here. Nah, I don't know which one to use right now. It doesn't even matter which one you use. You'll find one that you like that you can put together real quick, okay? I'll just use the internet marketing one and click on this one because it looks like a news release. I like it. Okay. So I'm going to just keep that the way it is, guys. I'm not going to edit that all through real quick because I don't have the time to. I'm getting sleepy and I want to show you guys this training, man. I was excited. So you just click next step once you've edited all of that. And the next thing you want to do is choose the campaign that this goes to. You don't want this. Yeah, you don't worry about this right here. Click next step. Okay, so the message is done. And you save it as draft. Okay. Now, once you made your message, you want to go to create an autoresponder. Now you click on choose messages. And as you guys can see, here's the 10-step sales technique that I just created as the message. So I'm going to choose that. And my autoresponder, I will name it Fakata landing page T first opt-in. Okay. So this is what they will get the first day they opt in, or the first minute they opt in. It's already created. Now we have a sales funnel, guys. It's that quick. It's done. Now we're gonna test it. Okay. Now you click done, and now you click publish. Don't worry about none of that right now. That's all SEO stuff. Now, what's so cool about this thing, right? You can publish it to Instapage. It has its own domain for you, which is hosted on their website. If you don't have a domain, you can, don't worry about this option, this custom domain stuff. Or yeah, you can actually use this. If you just want to use a custom domain and you don't want to use a WordPress blog, yeah, you can go get your own custom domain and host it right here. You can use your WordPress blog and have this hosted as one of your WordPress pages. You can use your Drupal website and have it hosted on one of your Drupal websites, or you can host it on Facebook. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna host it on Facebook real quick. Simple. So I click on host it on Facebook. You know what's happening right now? I got my pop-ups off on my browser. So I'm just gonna do it on Instapage and click and say landing page training. Publish. Okay, so as you guys can see, my landing page is live. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change this video out real quick.
Hey, what's up, designers? This is Tyson from Instapage, and I'm going to spend
They
the
already
next
have their own training up there. But what I'm going to do is take my training that I'm doing right here, live, and embed it on there. So what I would do is I would click right here. There's two ways you can get your embed code from a YouTube video. You can right click and just click on copy embed code right here. Or you can click down here on the share button, click on embed, and then click on show more. YouTube's acting funny now. You would click on show more and you can even get the sizes and stuff that you want to change out. But I got 560 over 315. Remember these sizes, guys. What you want to do is you want to get that whole code, copy. Remember these two sizes right here. You want to go in here, back into your landing page. Click that. I forgot to show you guys this step and take this video out. Hover over this video right here. You're going to see this bar pop up over here. Click on this little pencil. Nope, I lied. You got to click on the video. Sorry about that. Go in here. Oh, you don't even have to embed it. I forgot about that step too. You can actually just go and get your YouTube video link right here. Copy. And then paste that in there. And click done. And now when I publish it again, you guys are going to see it on my landing page now. And as you can see, there's my training being played live. Right there.
And click done.
So that's how quick you can build a live video landing page, man. It's done. This is a complete funnel. Look, when I opt in, I put my name in here. Mark Valerio. Mark Valerio at gmail.com. And now I'm going to get my 10-step sales closing techniques. It's processing. And it should be there already. So I'm going to log into my Gmail. Okay. Okay. Look, guys. There it is. My opt-in is working perfectly. I think I just got some money. Oh, look, guys. I just made $121 on the internet. See, guys, you make money from home, man. Fakata Marketing just made 121. But anyway, what I wanted to show you is that's that simple. Here's what your customer is going to get when they opt into your form. How you would set it up, however you choose to set it up. But also, when you go back into your Get Response account, check this out. You got a new contact. Inside your account. You know why it's not showing up already? It's because my name is already in the system, Mark Rosario 88. Anyway, guys, what has showed up is just a new lead right here. It's not showing up right now because I use the same name. But that's it, guys. The system's built. The opt-in form works. It's a quick, beautiful system, and this is what makes you successful in marketing. Something as simple as this. This is the main piece of capturing leads and sending people through a funnel and selling your products, man. Learning how to build your own funnels and landing pages. Okay, what I just taught you is valuable, and you're going to really need this to be successful online. All right, so what else did I want to show you real quick? That was pretty much it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you actually going and post how you post it on Facebook and you just start reaching out to people. I just okay. Check my free training out on building landing pages for your business. Very valuable. Come on, Facebook. Okay, well, it's there. This is not how I wanted it to post, but as you can see, if somebody was to click on that, it'll go right to your landing page. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you build a landing page to capture leads for your business. So I'm going to end it there. I appreciate your time. I thank you for coming to another Fakata training. I hope this was valuable to you. And I will see you tomorrow at training. Take care and have a wonderful day, everybody.